God. Hey guys, sorry about that. Sorry, that was my hat got. I've just took the net off the ball because it was too hard for me to, now to cut it open on the video. So I'm gonna cut it open. Oh wow. That is so weird. Oh wow. I've never felt this slime before actually. Which is a bit weird. Because, oh wow. Is it slime? I'm pretty sure it is slime. Try and turn it inside out. 1 minute. So I turned it inside out and it looks so weird. Got a bit of slime there. Oh wow. This feels so cool. It's really cold though, I don't know how. And also, this has nothing to do with the slime. But I was just wondering, you know when you have a name like my name on YouTube, Kids Crazy, how do you change that? Tell me down below how you change that, please. Because I really wanted to change my name to Cutie Panda 10. So, yeah. And tell me if there already is a Cutie Panda. Okay, please. This is like a yellowy cheese colour. But it feels really weird. And it's not at all sticky in the slightest. Look. So watch this. Splattered. It's like a paint mark actually. Like a paint mark if you really think about it. Look, see, like splat. It's like bouncing. Ew, look at that. And it does mold back together once you've took a piece off. And it molds back together. And then it pulls all the way down, comes off, and then there you go. There you go. That is what's inside one of these mesh balls. So, yeah. It's really weird though. I'm like cutting it, but it's got like a purple thing in the middle there. Don't know what that is. Sorry if you can't see this properly. It's just really hard. This is what it looks like. This is so weird though, because it's like weird slime thing. And the ball, the mesh ball, is rubbery. Giordano. 1 minute, So I have put all of it back in, and it looks sort of like a candle dome thing, kind of thing. And then go like that, and then it looks like a tomato. And then, yeah. Woo! And then it's all clear and tidy. because it doesn't stick. Sorry if that sounded rude, I didn't mean to make it sound rude, but it's so, if you know what a Gudetama is, most silly squishy people would, then it's that sort of yellow, and yeah, so it's like sort of a cheesy yellow. Yeah, it's like Gudetama yellow. So I don't even know. It's a little bit sticky, as you can see, but only the slightest bit. This feels so weird. And I'll show you my other one, but I am not cutting that up because I just don't want to, because you know, it's just, I just want to play with the other one, wouldn't you? Sorry if you don't like this sound, but it's just really fun cutting it up and cutting it and cutting it, because it keeps molding back. Oops. And then this is really, really fun. And then it just watch, it picks up the pieces, see? And then it picks it up again. So yeah, we can just wait and watch this. Okay. Sorry if it's not focusing. The camera doesn't want to focus. I know this is not the one that faults. Just didn't want to get that one because I didn't think it was very nice. So I'll show you my other one now that I got, which is this greeny blue one. So it's like a teal. Sorry. And then when you scorch, it goes green. But if you cut this one open, which I'm not going to do, then you would find green slime, I believe, probably. Look, I just made the pattern of this onto there. Can you guess what it is? If you can, tell me down below what you think it is. Bye!